right now.
So you want to do this?
I gotta do. What else you want me to do? Shoot. What else you want me to do? I can't do nothing
I
else.
want you to be happy, Mr. Dieterville.
What?
Wonderful. I'm happy that you're not happy. Yeah, of course.
Judge, I'm approaching on Phil Dieterville. Do you remember him? You said you would not do time served. You wanted him to do substance abuse treatment.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything
You
until...
guys came back for SATF.
Do
We
it.
have a 1 year deferred. We're going to do. Would that be acceptable?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm just going to have.
And then SATF as a condition. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Judge,
absolutely.
We're going to get that done today. Provided.
Let's do it.
Mr. Dieterville's-
I'm with you.
Judge, on Mr. Dieterville, he said that he's not interested in doing a probation. Would you be willing to
Don't care.
consider any type of county time off?
No, if he doesn't want to, I'm going to set his case for trial and we'll just go that route. I will not accept any more deals. I will not do anything else. With as many cases that he has, he continues to, as soon as we get out, if I had to take it, time served, what's going to happen? We're back here in a week with another case. I'm not going to do it anymore. And I
Judge,
told
I'll talk. Do you want us to get a trial date today, or would you want us to wait up like 2 weeks? If
have you gotten the evidence?
well, let me see, Judge. I don't think the discovery is complete. Let me talk to the state.
Yeah, make sure it's complete and then we'll set it.
Okay.
And you know, I'll do whatever you want to do, but no more games. I'm done with it.
Yeah, he keeps asking for county time, Judge. So
I don't care.
I'll talk.
I want more hair. I'm not going to get it. I told you it wasn't going to be easy, didn't I?
Buckle up, guys. Today we are going to watch a judge who has officially run out of patience. The moment this hearing opens, the tension is already thick. The judge makes it clear he's done playing soft, and Mr. Derville immediately slips into defeat mode, insisting he has no other options. What follows is a verbal chess match, the judge pushing structure, Derville dodging responsibility, and the prosecutor stepping in with reality. You can feel the judge's frustration rising as he shuts down every shortcut. This clip sets the tone. Someone's cycle is about to break, one way or another.
"30 different charges. And I told you the last time, Mr. Dieterville, that if you had ever pick up another case, that I will set your case for trial and we will do DDRP, the Dual Diagnosis Residential Program. I will not continue to play this game where you pick up theft cases, plead guilty to time served, get out, and next week you pick up another case. I'm done with it. I'm not going to do it. What do you want to do now? What do you want to do now?
What I gotta do?
Sorry?
What I have to do, I guess.
What you got to do?
Take probation, I guess.
You said take probation, Judge.
How long I be in that place? What about days?
No,
6 months.
no,
Just 6 months.
no.
Let go of the probation?
You will be in the facility 6 to 9 months, depending on how well you respond to treatment. I'm done with you taking time serves and continuing to pick up cases, continuing to go to the same places where you continue to trespass and steal. That's it.
Like,
We've got now 30 charges of the same thing over and over and over.
that's it. No, yeah.
You understand what I'm trying to do? Think about it. What am I doing?
What you wanna do, I guess, sure. I gotta deal with it again. All I got is trespass. That's it.
The judge shifts into full accountability mode, laying out Mr. Derville's past charges like a timeline of self-destruction. This isn't a scolding, it's a forensic breakdown of a pattern the court has seen far too many times. You watch Derville shrink as each offense stacks up, exposing how repetitive and predictable his behavior has become. The judge isn't being dramatic, he's making a point. Time served hasn't helped, leniency hasn't helped, and the get out, get rearrested loop ends today. The stakes rise fast as the judge signals a new, uncompromising approach.
Trespass. Golly.
How many trespasses you got, Mr. Deedeville?
Man. I don't know. I don't think, sure, I don't know, probably 2 or 3. They way old though. They super old. And they ain't in your courtroom. I never been in your courtroom. No trespass. Only for theft. You thought it was a theft. You thought it was a theft, but it's a trespass this time.
Okay. So now, May, you picked up a trespass. February of this year, theft. August, theft. August, another theft. August, another theft.
Yeah, that's what I know.
April, theft. January, evading arrest. January, evading arrest. I'm sorry, evading arrest, January, theft. November, theft. October, criminal trespass.
Waiting arrest.
September, criminal trespass. September, criminal trespass. July, criminal trespass.
Not him.
May, theft. May, theft. April, theft. March, theft. December, theft. November, trespass. And it goes on, and it goes on as the day is long.
Not in your courtroom. I never called trespass.
They're all here, Mr. Deedeville. And I'm telling you,
You must be another judge then. I never got trespass in your courtroom. All them theft. I remember that. I gotta take probation. They go into place 6 to 9 months.
is this Saturday? Can he just get up and leave?
No, it's one more day stay.
Okay.
It's originated.
This is a facility that I want you to participate in so we can end this cycle of you picking up these cases over and over and over. And Mr. Deedeville, look at me. I'm telling you, from now on, every case, we will do this from now on until you get it. Do you understand, sir? We have to end this cycle one way or the other. And I hope that I'm doing so that this ends once and for all.
Put me in sit there. That don't make no difference. Cause I might just mess up any kind of way. You got me on probation and everything. Anything might happen. Shit, man. You already know that anything
And we will continue to do this until you actually get it.
I'm gonna try to make sure I don't come in your courtroom. That's a fact. Cause that ain't cool.
There's only one way. Stop picking up trespass cases. Stop picking up theft cases. You do that, you'll never see me again. I know I'm not pretty. That's all I'm asking, man.
You got me get probation on trespass and go to
Really? I'm not being cool?
This section is where the hammer finally drops. As Derville tries to minimize old charges, the judge counters with an exact list, month by month, proving nothing about this is old or exaggerated. Then the shift happens. The judge announces that every future case will trigger mandatory long-term treatment. No more shortcuts, no more revolving door. You can see the power dynamic settle. Derville realizes the system has closed every escape hatch he's used before. The judge isn't angry, he's decisive. And that firmness forces Derville to face the reality he's been running from.
Really?
Yo, just
I'm not being cool?
yeah, probation, and then I gotta go to a rehab. I go turn myself into a rehab anyway. But you want me to stay in
Hey,
6
look at
months?
this way. This way I'm paying it for you. You don't have to shed out a dime. But Mr. Deedeville,
You gotta pay, you get it for free.
we will continue to do this from now on. Every case you pick up. Look at me. Think. Because every time you get the itch to do the trespass or theft case, when you see me, because I have jurisdiction for you for 5 years, I will see you. We will do the same thing.
I'll take a drive.
I am so happy. Good. I'm glad that you don't think I'm cool.
Should take a drive now. Well,
Hey, you know what? I'm okay with that.
I should have.
Now, you have this criminal trespass. As part of this, you will do SATF, which is the inpatient treatment facility. Do you understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this, you can never change this. You understand? Do you want to take this offer?
They help you get your ID and stuff like that? Yeah. And Social Security talk too.
I don't know about Social Security, but there are like counselors and like recovery coaches there that help you with all this.
What do you think?
I'm a rock in a hard spot, so I gotta deal with that, man.
Easy. And it's going to be this difficult every single time from now on.
Right now.
So you want to do this?
I gotta do it. What else you want me to do? Shoot. What else you want me to do? I can't do nothing
I
else.
want you to be happy, Mr. Dieterville.
I'm getting public transparency. That's cool. Let's get it fun.
Wonderful. I'm happy that you're not happy.
I see love. Put a gun out of something and use it to place. I trespass. That's crazy.
I know, it's
Let's
crazy,
kill
isn't
them
it?
fun, man. For real.
That is crazy.
That ain't cool, man. Gotta get probation, then go to rehab. I can go to rehab
So
myself.
look, we have a lot of business. Do you want to do this? Yes or no?
How to do it? What else you want me to do?
Okay. How do you plead to the offense, sir? I will find you guilty. I'm going to wish you the best of luck in SATF. Please listen. Please take it to heart, Mr. Dieterville. All I want you to do is not come back. If you come back to me, we're going to do the same thing over and over.
Here, the internal struggle becomes visible. Derville fears failing probation, failing rehab, failing everything, but the judge refuses to let fear be the excuse anymore. He makes treatment sound less like punishment and more like the only exit from this downward spiral. The push and pull is intense. Derville wants freedom without change, and the judge demands change before freedom. After resisting, questioning, and circling back, Derville finally cracks and agrees to the deal. It feels less like a victory and more like surrender to a reality he can no longer outrun.
So get ready. I will play this game with you until we both lose hair. Good luck, my friend. Good morning, Mr. Waller. Sir, you're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon while you're intoxicated. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews of the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
Defendant was observed to be consuming alcohol at a premises not licensed for alcohol consumption. Officers detained defendant for the Class C violation and discovered he had 3 new disciplinary warrants. Search incident to arrest discovered that he had a 9mm Glock concealed in a small satchel.
And you're on felony probation for a very serious case, which I gotta figure that one of the conditions is for you not to have weapons. Was this pled down? Can you check to see, please?
No, Your Honor, was that pled down? The
It
location.
was pled down. It was a robbery. It pled down to a theft from a.
Oh, sorry, I thought you meant the UCW. Yes, the robbery was a robbery and bodily injury that was pled down to theft from a person.
2 things, Mr. Waller. I'm gonna have you sign an affidavit with me today promising me that you're not gonna have a weapon. If I find that you have a weapon, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing an additional 6 months in jail every single time you have a weapon. Do you understand? I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you like crazy. If you have a drug and alcohol problem, you better address it, because if you don't, I'm going to do it for you. And I promise you, Mr. Waller, you're not going to like the way that I do it. Do you understand? Yes or no?
It's yes or no, not yeah.
Yes, sir.
I would be on the lookout. It's a matter of time now before they issue a felony warrant for your case. The fact that you pick up this, they're going to issue a motion to revoke your probation upstairs, and a warrant will issue. What do you do for a living, sir?
Right now.
Sorry?
Nothing right there at the moment, but I do have an alcohol license. That's what I do, sell alcohol beverages, and I have a license for it. So I don't know why they wrote it and said I don't have one, because I showed them when I got arrested.
Do you have an income?
This,
What is your income? And from where?
like selling alcohol beverages.
How is it that you sell alcohol? By what means? To a store? Through a distribution? How do you sell alcohol?
Like at a party, when we have parties or something like that, just go to a party and just sell alcohol.
Mr. Waller, we need a full-time job. I'm now making the condition of your bond as well. No alcohol, no drugs. You must now get a full-time job, a legitimate job, 9 to 5. Do you understand? I'm going to give you an application today for an appointed lawyer. I will have you fill it out. I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to have a weapon. After that, I'm going to have you go to Victoria Center, reset. You will meet with Tracy for your bond conditions. I'm going to reset your case for 2 weeks. I want to see in 2 weeks what you have done to get a full-time job. It means putting in applications. Go to Amazon. They hire anyone. All you need is a partial heartbeat and you'll get a job at Amazon. Get a job. Do you understand? When you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive. Come on.
The focus shifts to a new defendant, Mr. Waller, and the contrast is sharp. The judge moves from addiction-driven thefts to weapons violations and alcohol abuse, laying down strict bond conditions without hesitation. Waller's explanations fall apart instantly as the judge pushes him toward structure: no alcohol, no drugs, full-time job, strict monitoring. It's clear this courtroom runs on tough accountability, not sympathy. The judge sets expectations, deadlines, and consequences with zero room for shortcuts. Another life, another warning, and another chance. If the defendant is smart enough to take it, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel Obbit People Court, and we'll see you in the next one.